So guys, good morning. How are you all? So can you all suggest me, if I can narrate a story about these, small puppets, a puppet story or a storytelling. So please, can you all suggest me, which story would you like to hear in my next session? Yes. Thank you so much. So this is, this is Peppa Pig. This is Mouse. This is Teddy Bear. Okay, so this is a puppy, a dog. Yes, and this is a rhino, frog, also panda, baby panda, and a duck. So which story would you like, for me to narrate in my next session? So please comment below and let me know. Yes, thank you so much.